Many new programmers feel stuck because coding seems hard. With all the confusing code and constant mistakes, it's easy to feel like you will never get it. But here is the truth. If you keep getting lost in the complicated code, you might get so frustrated that you want to quit. And that could mean missing out on great future in tech and a chance to create amazing things. In this video, I will show you how to make programming easier than you thought. I will share the best way to keep it simple so you can write better code faster and actually feel confident. Let's start with something that holds so many new programmers back. They are eager to learn, but they get overwhelmed by all the complex code and endless efforts. It's like every time they try to go deeper, they hit a wall and feel lost. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be that way. But focusing on the basics and keeping things simple, you can break through that wall easily. You can learn faster and feel more confident with each step. For example, if you're learning to build a website, start with something simple, like making one page with a title, some words, and a button. And when you feel good about it, try to expand it by adding more links, more pictures to it. By building slowly, each new part makes sense and you won't feel too stressed. This way you can see real progress and learn how everything connects. Coding is about writing code, but programming is more than that. Programming starts with requirement, then designing and coding, testing, and finally deploying. So in simple words, it's coding plus a whole lot more. A lot of confusions in programming happens because developers focus too early on complex techniques or advanced features. When you jump into all these complex things without a strong base, it's easy to get lost. For example, if you're building a website and you skip learning basic HTML and you jump into advanced features like CSS animations, you will feel like you are lost. So, what is the best way to start? Focus on the basics first. A lot of new programmers think complex code shows skills, and they believe if they use more lines of code and complex techniques, it will look impressive on others. But here is what really happens. Their code becomes messy, hard to read, and full of errors. This does not just slow them down, it also makes it tougher for others to understand what actually they have written. So what's the best way? Write easy and simple code that's easy to understand by others. In the long run, simple code saves time and reduces stress for everyone involved. So till now we have covered three main points. Start simple to build confidence. Programming is more than coding, so master the basic first and write clean code for easier understanding. But there are three more key points to make programming super easy. Here is the thing. Approaching programming with a simple mindset helps you train your mind to work differently. But there is a trap many falls into it. They start overthinking and adding extra features that are not really required. This makes their code more complicated, harder to fix, and tough to understand. By choosing simple and clean solutions, you will develop solutions faster and you will make fewer mistakes. And this way, you will become a better problem solver because you always try to find easier path to solve a problem. Simplicity will be your superpower. Simplicity helps you move forward faster in your programming journey. So just make simplicity a lasting habit in your coding journey. Without this habit of keeping things simple, it's easier to fall back into old ways, adding steps that look impressive but don't add real value. And this can clutter your code and harder to work with. But when you make simplicity a habit, you start writing clean code that's easier to manage. This habit of keeping things simple will not only boost your productivity but also helps you truly enjoy programming. As you get better at programming, keeping your code organized becomes really important. In bigger projects, things get messy very quickly. When there's no structure, even small changes can create big problems. Without a clear plan, handling code becomes really hard. And that's why clear architecture comes in the picture. It keeps everything in order so each part of your code has a clear place and purpose. One more way to make programming simple is to work with reusable code. Actually, this point is my favorite. I have noticed many new programmers try to write code from scratch because they don't have a code library, which can lead to errors and waste of time. But when you start building a reusable library, you save yourself time and reduce mistakes. It's like having a toolbox which is always with you and you can use it whenever you need. By reusing code, you not only make your life easier but also becomes more efficient. By making only this habit, you can focus on solving new problems instead of doing the same work again and again. But my next question is, do you have a library? I strongly believe programming should be simple. If you want to take your coding skills next level and want to keep your project organized, then you will love this video. 20 teen architecture tips for any developer, beginner or experienced. In this video, I have shared simple tips that anyone can use, and it helps you to boost your productivity and keep your code clean and readable. Watch it now and start building better code. And thanks for watching.